The following entrepreneurs demonstrate that innovative services and risk-taking can define the future direction of healthcare. Founded in 2006, Fontana-based Cucamonga Valley Medical Group is a multi-clinic family practice catering to the healthcare needs of all age groups and individuals. Founded and led by entrepreneurial physicians Rami Mojood and Kyle Smart, the group has expanded to 5 Inland Empire offices, with additional locations in the works. The company has revolutionized the practice of delivering healthcare through innovation and putting the focus back on what matters most: patient care. Team Physical Therapy opened in 2001 as an outpatient physical therapy practice in Rancho Cucamonga. Founded by Jeffrey Beckendam, the company provides physical therapy services to a broad range of orthopedic and neurological injuries. With 45 employees, comprised of 6 full-time physical therapists and a large administrative staff, Team Physical Therapy receives referrals from over 190 different physicians over the course of a year, with an average of 250 new patients each month. Marketplace Physical Therapy and Wellness Center of Riverside was one of the first rehabilitation companies in the U.S. to fuse physical therapy and fitness together. Founded and led by Michael Rappaport, the company's 5 Inland Empire locations and their doctors of physical therapy provide rehabilitation services to patients with work injuries, sports injuries, neurological, and orthopedic disorders. With over 40 employees, they've treated over 25,000 patients and currently have 6,000 gym members. These top healthcare innovators are improving the well-being of our community in an entrepreneurial way.